Now, let us go to the next question. Can you go and read question number 39 for me?
Scientists have recently discovered what could be the largest and oldest living organism on Earth, a giant fungus that is an interwoven filigree of mushrooms and root-like tentacles spawned by a single fertilized spore some 10,000 years ago and extending for more than 30 acres in the soil of a Michigan forest.
Perfect. Now, this is such a long sentence, right? But the
Yes.
time you read the sentence, understand the sentence itself will take so much of time. Additionally, if you look at here, only one word is underlined, right?
Yes, sir.
And if you look at the answer choices, every answer choice sounds good, tastes good, smells good. So which one is the correct answer, right? So we
Yeah.
don't want to waste our time trying to read and understand the whole answer choice and see which answer choice fits in there correctly. Instead, we know the GMAT better, hence we apply a rule here. What is the rule that we're talking about? Is something called one word underline rule. Now, what do I mean by one word underline rule here? So basically, one word underline rule is something like this. We say in a relatively long sentence, when only one word is underlined in a relatively long sentence when only one word is underlined, right? When I say one word is underlined, I want you to ignore linking verbs and prepositions. Ignore linking verbs and prepositions, which means suppose if you got two protect underline. Suppose if you got two protect underline, then this is still considered one word only. We ignore the preposition here. Okay, when only one word is underlined, which means ignore linking verbs and prepositions there, then the correct answer will be the word in ing form with no strings attached to it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which means suppose if I've got two answer choices here, let's say B and C, answer choice B is saying protecting, and answer choice C is saying, let's say, was protecting. So which one is the correct answer here?
Protecting.
Protecting, right? Because we don't want anything attached to it. So C would be wrong, B would be the correct answer. Likewise, for question number 39, tell me which one is the correct answer? A, right? A is the only word which we got extending. So remaining answer choices are obviously incorrect under one word underline rule.
Yes.
One word underline rule. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect.